Hi guys, how are you all doing today? In case it's your first time, this is Classy Pot channel. Today we are going to give you an exceptional egusi soup recipe. How do you prepare your egusi soup? Have you done this method before? In fact, what are you waiting for? Just give it a try and thank us later. Ingredients for this delicious soup are grounded egusi, goat meat and cow skin kpomo, sweet palm oil, fresh tomatoes and bell pepper or shombo, ground salt and cut some, chopped Uziza leaf or spinach, onions, grounded crayfish, stockfish and bonga fish, grounded fresh pepper, seasoning cubes and salt. Now let's look at the cooking direction. Season the meat. Wash and debone your stockfish and dry fish. Add it to the goat meat. Add grounded crayfish, pepper and seasoning cubes to taste. Add a little bit of water. Cover and allow to boil. Add in chopped onions, salt and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Cook till tender. Rinse your frying pan. Set it on high heat and allow the water to dry up. Add the cooking oil. Permit to get hot. Add in diced onions, the grounded fresh tomatoes and pepper. Fry till the liquid of the tomatoes is dry. Mix the ground egusi with water in a bowl. Pour in the mixture. Stir and cover and allow to cook. Add the chopped tomatoes and pepper. Stir and allow to fry for another 3 minutes. Pour in the fried egusi directly to your cooking pot. Cover it and allow it to cook. Now stir the soup. Add your chopped uziza or spinach. Stir it. Cover and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Your delicious egusi soup is ready. Bring it down and serve hot with fufu or any swallow of your choice. Thank you for listening. And don't forget to subscribe to Classy Pot channel. Tell your friends about the channel. We promise you interesting, entertaining and good stuff on Classy Pot channel. Invite your friends to join and like our videos and entertainment stuff we have for you. Thank you all. Bye.